What if I told you the internet as we know it might be over? Not because of a cyber attack, not because of a censorship, but because of AI. Welcome to the new era where Google wants to answer your questions before you even see the web. And Microsoft? They want every website to become its own AI-powered oracle. Let's break down how we got here and what happens next. This is AI Overviews, Google's answer first feature now rolled out to billions. It reads the internet so you don't have to. And now, Google just launched AI Mode, a full-on AI first search experience. It doesn't just summarize sites, it buries them. Explore more by asking follow-ups, it says. Clicking is optional. Leaving Google, unnecessary. Critics are calling it the slow death of the open web. It's like Google doesn't need the web anymore. It just needs your attention. But wait, enter Microsoft's counter strategy. Don't replace the web, reinvent it. At Build 2025, Microsoft introduced NLWeb, an open protocol that lets any website add AI-powered interaction. Think of it like RSS meets ChatGPT. Now your favorite recipe site? It can chat with you. Your local e-store? It can recommend exactly what you want before you search. Microsoft chief Satya Nadella put it best. He said, the best defense against displacement is diffusion. Use the tools, change the work. The shift is clear. We're moving from search engines to agent managers. Google wants to own the AI layer, summarizing everything, sending users nowhere. Microsoft wants to empower the AI edges, giving websites their own agents and giving users control. Satya called it building a UI for AI. Chat, search, agents, notebooks, all in one interface. It's Outlook and Teams reborn for the agentic era. This is how the internet dies, not with a click, but with a summary. AI Mode is the new ad block, and Microsoft's NLWeb might be our only hope. Some fear this is centralization in disguise, others say it's the reboot we needed. Here's the truth. AI isn't just changing how we use the internet. It's redefining what the internet even is. Will we still have websites or just infinite answers? Will search be a conversation or a closed loop? One thing is certain. This isn't just the next evolution of browsing. It's a battle for the future of knowledge itself. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.